Working on the carpet now. Not really videoing this that much. This is all just temporary. I will be later on. I'm probably going to get if they have the color I need, the right OEM style. I'll have to modify it because I have the floor shifter, and the only ones I've seen are for the automatic, so they won't have that kick out. So yeah, but other than that, it's alright. Something for now. I'm just gonna finish this up. Doing the center section, and I'll be doing the rear. It shouldn't take another couple of hours or so. So not too critical. You can still see through. That's how you know this is thinner stuff. This is more like trunk speaker box stuff. So finishing up. It's got the sides to cut. I don't have to cut them because I'm going to do panels. And I got to do a custom one here also because I got spare tire area. So I'm just gluing it on the wheel wells for now. That's not what's going to cover those. So that's all going to be when I make these pieces and the door panels and the headliner. I am going to go with a board custom. I'm not going to do the bows. So come out pretty good. So like I said, what'll happen is this carpet will be good for now, but eventually I'll be putting the thick carpet. The reason being is for the Wagon, they don't sell the whole thing. They sell the front half, which is the four-door stuff. Then they sell the Wagon rear piece. I'm not going to buy the rear piece, obviously, because I'm going to modify this area where the spare tire is. And it's like a couple $100. It's not cheap for just this piece. And this is the easy piece. The front's like 300 something, but it's worth it because it's thick. And it has the pad in there too, so that'll end up just laying on top of this. This is good to go for that. This also protects, the reason why I did this is protects the aluminum on the sound deadening material, because I will be getting in and out of here working and all that other stuff too. So this is good for the time being. It's so thin, I can, like I said, I can lay right over. And I'm probably, one of my ideas is to do wood paneling here in the back, so I still might do that. We'll see. Intertwine it with the roof that I'll do and the side panels. So I got a lot of different things, ideas. We'll see how it goes. But for now, just got to finish up the carpet. I got to cut this piece here. There's an edge. That's real bad lighting. You can kind of see it right here. There's an edge. There's nothing here. It's the spare tire area, so I got to cut this flush with that. And then over here I'm going to do the same. There's a kind of a line. It's a little metal lip. You can see it right there. It's a little metal lip right here. So I'm trying to cut it with that.